Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Fidelity app telling you it's no longer supported and you must update, but the App Store shows no update available at all? Here's the fix. First, open your App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then, pull down on the screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Since the App Store's list can catch and miss a very recently released version, check for Fidelity again after refreshing. If there's still nothing showing, then go to Settings, go to General, then go to Software Update and confirm your iOS version, since very old iOS versions can sometimes not receive the newest Fidelity build until you update your operating system first. Install any pending iOS update if one is available. After updating iOS, go back to the App Store and find Fidelity and try reinstalling it or updating it again. If it's still not showing, go to Settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, find Fidelity through the list of apps, tap on it and then tap Offload app. After that, go to your App Store again and reinstall it from there, which pulls the current supported version directly. So all you've got to do is pull to refresh, then update your iOS version, then offload and reinstall if needed. Then the unsupported version will clear, and that's it. Subscribe.